Hey there, kids. Today, we're going to talk about a fruit that's juicy, sweet, and super good for you, mangoes. Do you know why mangoes are often called the king of fruits? Let's dive in and find out what makes them so special. First of all, mangoes are loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin C. This vitamin helps keep your immune system strong, so you don't get sick easily. Mangoes also have vitamin A, which is great for your eyes. Eating mangoes can help you see better, especially at night. They also have important minerals like potassium and magnesium, which keep your heart healthy and muscles strong. Mangoes are also packed with fiber, just like bananas. Fiber helps keep your digestive system happy and makes sure your tummy feels good. So, if you're ever feeling a little uncomfortable after a meal, a mango can help everything move along smoothly. Now, here's something cool. Mangoes are a great source of natural sugars. This means they give you quick energy when you're feeling tired or need a boost before playtime. But don't worry, these sugars are healthy, so they won't make you feel tired later like candy does. Mangoes also have powerful antioxidants, which help protect your body from getting hurt by things like pollution and stress. These antioxidants are like tiny superheroes inside your body, keeping you healthy and strong. So, kids, next time you see a juicy mango, remember how amazing it is for your body. It's not just a tasty treat, it's a super healthy snack. See you next time, and don't forget to stay happy and healthy.